friends, welcome to a short preview video for some of the items I'm going to have for sale tonight. Tonight is my late night sale with Gina Vintage Digs, and it's on my channel. We start at approximately 10:30 Eastern Standard Time, 9:30 Central and 7:30 Pacific. I don't know where my brain went, guys. I'm so glad it's Wednesday. This is my favorite day of the week because I get to hang out with all of you. So I'm going to go over each item in this preview just really quickly. I'm not going to spend too much time on the items because you will, of course, see them tonight. The first thing I have for sale is this adorable planter. This is a lady head planter, but the lady happens to be an adorable dachshund. She is a Narco Japan. As you can see here, she's in really good shape. Super cute piece. I have this 365 Bedtime Stories. I have picked up a few of these over the past several months, and I love them, and I think you guys do too. The concept is it has a story for, every night for you to read to your child, and the illustrations in this one are so cute, as you can tell by the cover. I do have some sheet music. These are from the 20s and 30s. And we got Fun. Some of you probably know that song, but I was really happy when I found that piece. And look at the illustration. So cool. Okay, I have 3 salt and peppers for you guys. The first one is this donkey and cart salt and pepper. He is a blue and purple donkey because, donkeys are blue and purple. He's a made in Japan piece. Actually, all 3 of my salt and peppers are made in Japan. I have these crazy anthropomorphic tomatoes as well. I have some salt and peppers that are lusterware, and they do come in their caddy, which is cool. I have this piece of art glass. It could be Murano, I'm not quite sure, but it has Millefiori design to it. It is so pretty, as you can tell. It kind of gives you like an optical illusion when you're looking at it. I love this piece. I have my usual assortment of brooches. Tonight I have this really blingy, very cool bee brooch. I have a hand-painted wooden Russian brooch. I have this really pretty, perfect for summer enamel flower brooch that is a larger piece. And then I have this adorable Roadrunner to represent Texas, y'all. I have this really pretty Lamoge egg trinket dish. Just look at the hand painting on that, guys. It's so pretty. Speaking of pretty, is she not the cutest? I have this really cute girl with all these roses. She does have spaghetti detailing, and she is just super cute. I have a larger figurine, and this is of a French woman. She also has a lot of detail. I love the skirt, so pretty. I have another figurine of a girl, and this girl has this huge bow in her hair, and she is tending to her baby goose. Super cute. Speaking of cute, I also have this UNESCO unicorn bell, and I also have this children's fantasy book from the 70s called Ellador and the Golden Ball. I also have this really pretty satin glass perfume bottle. It does have a really nice shell, kind of an Art Deco look to that piece, and I love it. And last but definitely not least, I do have a fairy lamp. Now this is Shannon Glass out of Ireland, and this is a stunner. I'm not sure I have even seen one of these in a YouTube live sale. It's just so pretty, guys. I do have a flameless votive in there, so you're kind of getting an idea of what it would look like lit up. Just a really pretty piece with a lot of gorgeous detailing. Okay, guys, so we hope to see you tonight. Wednesday nights are always a lot of fun for us, and I hope everyone has a great rest of your Wednesday. Drink some caffeine, take your disco nap. Just don't be late, and don't miss us tonight. Okay, guys, thank you so much. See you later. Bye.